Are your Internet Explorer support apps crashing due to the Ieawsdc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin our Ieawsdc library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Ieawsdc library, the Internet Explorer Active Website Discovery Client. It provides unmanaged routines for identifying web-based services and managing site-specific configuration manifests. It facilitates the data link between MSHTML rendering engine and localized web service orchestration. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If Ieawsdc Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running SFC/Scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Ieawsdc library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Be aware that manual fixes for Ieawsdc Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Ieawsdc library within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Ieawsdc library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.